Yes, so I'm now recording. So basically what we want to do, we want to check how we can, after creating a simple website that doesn't have any backend, that's a static website, how we can host it on GitHub. So I'll share my screen right away. And very quickly, this is going to be a very quick class. Let me try to share my screen. Share. Share screen window. Okay. I don't know, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes.
My battery is even running low. So once you have GitHub installed, you just go to your GitHub account. You try to sign in. I just explained this is a very simple thing to do. So once you have your GitHub account, sign in to GitHub. I'm coming. Let me grab something. So now, let's say you have GitHub installed. I mean, you have GitHub account created. And if you check up here, this is my name. So if you check up here, you see your name there. So this is like your username. So what you have to do is to create a new repository. So you create a new repository and then you name it in a certain way. So to do that now, I'll just come to this create new and put new repository. Once you create a new repository like that, you have to give it a name. So now this is where the major thing comes in. You can actually name, no, we have not really talked about this in that class, but then this is just a quick demo to get this done, and then we can always talk about how to use it later. So you come to repository name, you won't name it what you want to name it. You have to give it a special name. The name is going to be that your username, which is what we are saying here. This username .github.io it will be. Now my username is Adeshola Samuel. It will be Adeshola Samuel dot github.io. So it will be Adeshola Samuel dot github.io. Take note, that's the most important thing. Make sure it is named according to your username. .github.io. That's what you name the repository. Then you make sure that it is public. Once it's public, and you just click on create repository. Now, once you click on create repository, you will now go, it will ask you to add file. Upload, it says start by creating a new file or upload an existing file. Because you have already written your code before, you have already written all the code that you want to write, those 3 pages. So you have to just click on upload an existing file. And here you click on choose your files. So you now select those 3 files, wherever they are. I was planning to set them up, but I've already set up. So you just select those 3 files. Once you select them, you click on open, and then you add them. Once you add them, you click on commit changes. So you click on commit changes. Once you click on commit changes, it will not show all those code. It will show all those 3 codes that you have written inside this repository. Now, the most important thing there is that your own page, that's the first page, should be named index.html. Index.html, like INDEX. That's the most important thing. Make sure the home page is named index.html. So once you have that index.html as your first page, that's your home page, and then you have already linked to the other site from that index.html. So whenever somebody type in additionalsamuel.github.io anywhere, it will show them that your website. It will firstly show them that home page, which is index.html. Please try to get this. So most important thing is that once you create your repository, you should not name it anything. You have to name it your username.github.io. Your username.github.io. After that, you now make sure that your home page is saved as index.html. You know, you have to create, from the assignment, you have to create 3 different pages, 3 different HTML files. But make sure the first one, that's the first one user will see, is named as index.html. So it has to be index.html. So from that index.html, we link to the other site. So once somebody just type in adesolasamuel.github.io online anywhere, it will show them your website. You don't need to host it. Once you just type in whatever your name is, .github.io, it will show them your website. Note the first thing is that the repository must be named according to your username. So it has to be whatever your username is, .github.io. Then you upload by clicking on this upload an existing file. You upload all the files. That's the 3 different HTML files: the home page, the order, and then the successful. But make sure the home page is named index.html. That's the most important thing. The home page is named index.html. So whenever somebody type in adesolasamuel.github.io, they have your website seen. Maybe my laptop is really running low. I have 25 minutes more. But then let me just do something very quickly. Let me go to ChatGPT. Let me just create. So now I'm going to create. I think I can do this now. Let me just try. So I've already, let me just go back. So this is the new repository that I created, which is adesolasamuel.github.io. I just come to upload an existing file. ChatGPT is very good. Choose your file, and then I'll come to desktop. I save it in desktop called index.html. This is it. I'll just click on index and then click on open. So it's your upload. Once it has finished uploading, you just click on commit changes. But in your case, don't forget you're uploading 3 different files. They said this process might take a few minutes. It's uploading, and once it's done uploading. So I'm done now. I can refresh this page. I'm done. So whenever I copy this guy, so okay, it's showing this. Let's just wait. Once this guy is showing yellow now. Once it shows green, meaning that it's done. Let's just wait a little bit. Let's check what is inside this HTML. I just put a very simple thing there. I just put something to show hello world. That's what the code will show. Meaning that whenever somebody go to my website, the person will just see hello world on my website. So let this thing finish. Let it finish. Let it finish. It show GitHub pages, deployment GitHub pages. It's loading. Excuse me. Right. So let's just wait for it. You just have to wait for it. This is GitHub pages. It's deploying. It shows GitHub pages running. I pray my laptop is able to stay. I have 10 minutes more. You should finish in 10 minutes, before 10 minutes. So it's remaining one. It's checking one. Please try and do this. If you have any problem, just send a message on WhatsApp and then I will see how we can go about it. Don't forget, the first time you go over it again, create a new repository, but your repository must be named according to your username. Your username is what is displayed here. Is this guy that is being displayed here? Adeshola Samuel, that's my username. So your repository must be named according to that. It has to be adesholasamuel.github.io, as we are saying here. Let me zoom in. It has to be named like this. adesholasamuel.github.io. So if your own username is Samson. The name of the repository must be samson.github.io. And once you are done creating the repository, you have to come to the repository and add existing files. So once you want to add existing files, you have to add all the 3 HTML files that you created for the website. But make sure the home page is named index.html. That's the most important thing. It's named index.html. Because once you type this website, guys, I don't know, you can see me, I'm so sorry, my laptop went off. But then let me see if I can do it on my phone. Share photo, share screen. Off. And okay, wait, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So I just have to manage and see how I can do this on my phone. So I just check my repository. I'm back on my GitHub account now. This is what I created at additionalsummit.github.io. If I click here, it has already finished. So it shows that green mark. So it has finished checking. So when it has finished checking like that, let me go view code. So I know it has finished checking. It shows that green. That thing that was loading when I was on my laptop. So it has finished checking. So it shows that green mark. So once I'm done, I can now copy this old thing, which is additionalsummit.github.io. Or you can even type it online. Just type additionalsummit.github.io. If I run this, you see I have that hello word. So just go to your phone and type this website, additionalsummit.github.io. Just confirm. Whenever anybody is able to confirm, just tell me that it's true. Just go to your phone, go to your browser and search additionalsummit.github.io. Let me copy it and paste. Can I even copy it? I just put it in the chat. Somebody should confirm that it's actually saying additional summit from that link. Hello, please, can somebody confirm if they are seeing additional summit.github.io? People you have gone shy on me.
No, I'm not seeing it. On the chat,
You're
right?
not seeing. I've already pasted it. Just go online and search additional summit.github. Yes.
Like I thought you say you pasted this thing on the chat.
Yes, I pasted it on the chat.
I'm not seeing it on the chat.
Or you can just, yes, additional summit.github.io. Just check. But it's actually on the chat.
Adeshola what?
Samuel.github.io. Yes. Yeah.
Mr. Joshua, which application is this? Which mobile application is this?
I didn't get you.
Which mobile app is this?
Mobile application.
Yes, I thought you're using a mobile application.
No, it's not using any mobile. It's just go to Chrome and type it in Chrome. and type it in your browser.
I can hear you. Sorry?
You just type it in your browser.
Okay, what did I type in my browser? Sorry.
adesholasamuel.github.io. I've already pasted it in. I don't know what you guys are. You check the chats, you see it.
I'm coming.
Can you paste it on the WhatsApp chat?
Okay. Let me paste it there. So I'm pasting on the WhatsApp chats now.
It's working.
It's working. You are seeing that hello word.
Yes,
right?
I've seen hello word. Yes.
So now the same thing your own website too. You have to make it so that what I need on Tuesday is just to submit this link, and I will to see your website.
I think the one that we will be showing is the one you used to log in, right?
I didn't get it.
Like on the assignment, the one that should be showing is the one you used to log in.
Yes, that
like
would be the
page.
page. Yes,
That
that
will
would
be
be
the
the
home
home
page
page.
now. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
So and that was what I will be named as index.html.
Okay, no problem.
It's just two things. The way you name the repository. Okay, I can hear you.
Okay, you send a link to us, right? On WhatsApp now.
Yes, I mean, it's just, we created a demo now. Just a link to check to try out the demo yourself.
Okay, so we'll send the one we created. We'll send the link to you so that you can access our account.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
You can get,
You have to create like this
get the
one,
assignment,
which is going to be. Do you know? You see the way my own link is. My own link is adesholasamuel.github.io, right? And you are seeing my website. And you are seeing my website. So the same way, for you to submit the assignment, you have to submit this type of link.
For Christmas. Cars outside through some ho.
So you have to submit this type of link. And then once I click on the link, I will see your website.
I understand what you mean. That means, like, can I ask a question? Since we've created the account in GitHub now, does that mean you have a link? Because I have created an account. Okay,
yes,
no
you joined
problem.
from the beginning.
So that means, yes, I joined it from the beginning. You told us the procedures to upload the file and everything, right?
Yes.
Yes. After uploading the file, how would we get the link to send to you? That is just the question.
Yes, the link is simply the name of the repository, which is that your username.github.io. That's the link.
Okay, I understand. That is the link, right?
Yes, that's the link.
Means, yes. Okay, that one close to the username, right?
Yes, your username.github.io.
I understand.
That must be the name of the repository.
Okay, that will be the link, and that is what we'll send to you. That is what we'll save the what we've uploaded on the GitHub, right?
Yes. So once you create the repository named your username.github.io, then you add the files inside the repository.
Then I will now send the link to you. Understand, sir?
Yes. But then the home page must be named as index.html.
That is the startup page.
Yes, that's the startup page. Yes, must be named index.html.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. Just a simple. In the work, after coding, you run, right?
Yes.
Yes. That means we are not sending the code actually. We are actually sending the one we are running, which will be named as index.html.
Yes. No, for this assignment, we're going to create 3 files, right? I didn't get you.
You are not looking at our coding.
Yes, I'm not looking at your
the main work.
Yes, I'm looking at the main work. I'm not looking at the coding.
I get everything.
Yes.
I understand. Thank you.
Don't forget, for your code, you need 3 different files, right? For your code.
Yes, I need 3 different files. Yes.
Yes, for each page, for each of those pages, and then you link them together the way you saw it like yesterday.
I don't really get this one.
I mean, you know, after that 3 file, you link all those 3 together. You can click on one to go to the next. You can click on one to go to the next.
Yes, I know that.
Okay, so you now upload those 3 files. After you have written them and they are all working fine, you just upload it on that GitHub repository, and that's all. Just give me the link. Just give me the name of the repository, and then once I type it to my website, I will see your website. Not even the code. I'll just see the website displayed.
It's okay. I understand, sir. I've not done mine actually, but I understand what you mean.
Yes, all right.
Sorry, please. What time is the class tomorrow?
It will be by, I think we agreed 11 the last time, yeah? Yeah, 11, yes.
11 in the morning.
Yes, yes.
In the morning. Benny, please.
Yes, 11 in the morning.
Benny, please. Is it online?
Yes, for now, let's just say the venue is ETF. We check if our main venue is open, and then we go there. We go to PTDF. But if it's not open, we just come to ETF. But let's say it's ETF.
ETF. Well, we'll have PTV tomorrow.
Yes, ETF. But if PTDF is open, we
Okay,
just move to
no
PTDF. All right, now. Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Bye.
Nice.
In the class. Okay, now that's me. I'm calling you. And the best